Back in 2012, 𝗳𝗶𝗲𝗁 was really popular, and I specifically remember looking up bamboo fabric. I just Googled it, like, is bamboo fabric really eco-friendly? And the answer is no. I also wrote some books to help me just clarify all the knowledge, and I put it into ebooks. I have one called Garment Production in Vietnam, which just goes A to Z of the basics. Then eco-fabrics, because fabrics is one of the hardest challenges. Back in 2012, 𝗳𝗶𝗲𝗁 was really popular, and I specifically remember looking up bamboo fabric. I just Googled it, like, is bamboo fabric really eco-friendly? And the answer is no. That taught me about how it's all about spinning the story. Basically, you can give me any fabric and I can find a way to make it sound eco-friendly. My second book was, I studied all the fabrics. And it's called Buy Eco Fabrics in Vietnam. And that helped me make a lot of connections around the world, not just Vietnam. I went to China to the Shanghai Intertextile Trade Show, specifically looking for eco fabrics and trying to understand more clearly about fibers, yarns, knitting and dyeing techniques. I basically spent 10 years just getting a firsthand background on what it's all about, and then putting my knowledge into books, so I didn't forget it, and I could share it more easily. Right. Yeah, and I sell those books on Amazon, but